You promised to end birthright citizenship on day one. Is that still your plan?
Yeah, the Minister of Police
The 14th Amendment, though, says that, quote,
My Naija people don't bring no bonga Bishop news story. My name na Nehi. Make a sharply yarn on some story wey say it just happened. The Ekiti State Magistrate Court don come grant bail to the human rights activist wey be Dele Farotimi for on top the defamation case wey say they file against am, and na 50 million naira na they use take bail am on Monday, December 9, 2024. Mr. Joe Igbokwe wey be All Progressive Congress chieftain for inside Lagos State don come dey laugh in Igbo people dem as him come dey talk. Say today wey be Monday, say him waka jejely freely dey go do him business for inside Lagos and nobody disturb am. Come dey talk say make dem help am take ask wetin dey happen for inside southeast this Monday if people still dey sit down for house wey dem dey call sit at home. As him come dey talk say na yeye na him dey yeye for inside southeast and last so all of them go get sense. The ogbonge actress wey be Regina Daniels don come post this video of another achievement. Say she don graduate on top bachelors for psychology as she come dey thank God for the success of the graduation, cause she come dey thank her husband the way he take support her. Barrister Stella Justice don come dey thank her husband wey be say na him be the odogu wey train her for university wey make her take graduate to become lawyer. As she come dey talk say anyway be say they see her husband say make dem greet am well They don catch this fake pastor wey dey talk saying they knack one married woman the kpekus for over 11 years for inside Edo State. As people come even gather for in church, come catch am, take escort am comot for inside the community. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu don approve the recruitment of 30,000 Ekoloba police officers them every year for the next 6 years, and now the Minister of Police Affairs will be Ibrahim guide them. Now come out to come yarn this talk on Top Channels Television.
The prospective candidates must undergo a rigorous screening process, including assessment of their academic qualifications, physical fitness, and mental health.
The top person of Nigeria Ekoloba Police will be ACP Olumiwa Adejobi Dokon order the arrest and made a take action against the Enugu State Ekoloba police officers. And after we say they see them for on top this video, they beat one driver. We say he carry the Christian guests the way that they go training. Say because the driver not agree, they give them a budget money, will be 1,000 naira.
Look who is talking. Look at who is talking.
What did he say? Hey!
Jesus. Jesus. No.
Hey, no fight now!
Jesus! No fight! Don't fight, please. You should stop it now.
You should stop it now. Why you fighting? Are you people drunk?
Stop it!
It's okay! Hey!
It's okay!
Stop it!
This Nigerian lady one name be Okpeyemi don come dey celebrate after she run comot from Ukraine because of the Russian war. As she come follow for the refugees, the website they cross enter inside Romania. As she come post this picture, come dey celebrate. Say now, say she don be licensed medical doctor for inside Romania. The Nigeria Ekoloba police wey dey for inside Osoro Delta State don come shoot 17-year-old boy take kpai say because the boy go buy knockout, come shoot knockout. As they come leave the boy for there, make the boy take kpai. But the talk person of Delta State Ekoloba police will be Bright Edafe don come promise say they go help the family take get justice for on top this matter. As in come talk say they don arrest the police officer wey be say shoot the boy take brutalize. Ola of Lagos don come dey happy dey jubilate after the ogbonge music icon wey be Don Jazzy dash am 20 million naira for nothing. As plenty Nigerians don come dey pray for Don Jazzy say God na him go bless am for this ogbonge kindness.
Danje, 20 meters, Danje. Go make a Your blessing will never cease. Inshallah, inshallah. Amen. I just come do that stuff for love and I just send me 20 mila.
The ogbonge American rapper wey be Jay-Z don come out come deny the accuse wey dey talk say him with Puff Daddy say they join body take force knack kpekus of 13-year-old girl oyibo dey call rape for inside the year 2000. Kasala.com boss for inside Benin City, Edo State. During wey be say APC and PDP go court to go judge their election case as Omila talks them come pursue PDP representatives that come up for inside the tribunal hearing for inside Edo State High Court on Monday, December 9, 2024. The U.S. president-elect will be Donald Trump don come talk saying go deport all the immigrants wey be say they dey for inside United States of America wey dey stay illegally if he take over office. He also come dey talk saying go end the birthright citizenship wey mean say if they born person for inside United States of America, he go automatically become citizen. Say he go stop him once he just enter office.
You promised to end birthright citizenship on day one. Is that still your plan?
Yeah, absolutely.
The 14th Amendment, though, says that, quote, all persons born in the United States are citizens. Can you get around the 14th Amendment with an executive action?
We're going to have to get a change. We'll maybe have to go back to the people, but we have to end it. We're the only country that has it.
Through an executive action?
We're the only country that has it.
Now, Bishop News O'Clock. My name is Nanehi. Make una enjoy your day.